Hey guys, today let's learn how to set up automated messages and automated responses in Facebook Messenger. So if you guys have a specific Facebook page and you want to go ahead and set up automated messages on your Facebook page, well, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do the step by step. So please watch this video until the end. You'll find out just how. Alright guys, so this is gonna be pretty easy. So please go ahead and proceed with launching your Facebook applications. Go ahead and tap on your menus and log on and switch to your Facebook page's profile. Now once you're here, what we need to do next is to go ahead and proceed to the Messenger or access your Meta Business Suite. Now once you're already on your Meta Business Suite, you can actually go ahead and proceed with changing and revising your automated responses. Going on your inbox. So once you're on your inbox, let's go ahead and tap on the three dots right here. And then I want you guys to proceed to tapping on your automations. And this is gonna take you to the option to greet people and share and get information through here. Now we have instant reply where we can tap on and also customize and our way message. In this case, we want to go ahead and set up the instant reply. What is gonna show you is the automated message. So we have the platforms to enable this. And I basically have this enabled for Messenger, which we want over here. Onto the message. We can now change and customize our automated responses through here. So as you go ahead and tap on the pencil icons over here to change the specific message. And in this case, I'm very satisfied with what I've already done. So I'm gonna leave it like that and tap on save. And now, just go ahead and tap on save. And basically, whoever messages your Facebook page will receive this response right from the start. And that's how you guys can easily set up automated responses on Facebook Messenger for your Facebook page. That is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.